What's going on, YouTube? Metal Complex here, and welcome to another exciting, short, little unboxing this Friday afternoon. I was so excited to see that this actually came in the mail. I wasn't expecting it for a little bit, but surprise, it's here. First off, I'd like to thank Scott Whittington at USA Made Blade. No, I am not getting paid to do anything. There's no special. I literally just reached out to him on Instagram. He had messaged me about the Red G10 Spider Monkey. He said, would you like to review it? And I said, absolutely, I would. I've heard that's a great knife. And he sent along this beautiful mat, which I'm using to let you guys know that if USA Made Blade is not on your list of places to stop and shop when you're looking for a new knife, you should go look at their stuff. I'm a Hinderer fan, so I've been shopping with them for a very long time, way before I actually started the channel. But yeah, definitely check them out. And also, Scott, if you're watching this, I have a blast watching your live stuff on Instagram and on YouTube. So thanks very much for that. So anyways, I actually reached out to Scott this time and I said, hey, you've got two that I'm really interested in taking a look at, and one I've been asking for a long time, more like begging, please let me take a look at that. And he said, all right. But this other one is actually one, if you watch his live streams, it's one here recently that everybody was kind of making fun of, even him. And I was cracking jokes and, you know, jumping in with everybody else, and I thought, you know what, like, I have come down on this manufacturer lately, this manufacturer being ZT, and been like, why don't you change things and make it the way that I want? Something that I make fun of. Sometimes people in the comment section are like, change things the way we want to see it, and I come down on them for that, and I realize I'm doing the exact same thing to ZT. So I thought, you know, before I judge, maybe I should actually handle it. So I asked Scott, would it be okay for me to handle this? And he said, absolutely. So that's what I'm going to do, and I am excited to see what's it gonna be. I'm sure some of you guys can guess. Just get the bubble things off of there. The ZT, is it the 0223? Yeah, ZT 0223. Okay, right off the bat, I can tell you I do not like the color setup, but it does flip well. It definitely flips well. Oh, wow. All right. You guys know I do the enthusiasm thing on this channel, but this is the very first time that I have held a ZT out of box that has free drop like that. No double clutch, free drop, flipper tab is in this place. Now some of you guys are going to look at this and go, that's really attractive. You know what's bothering people are these holes right here. So many jokes made about the holes, right? And people are like, why is that there? Why does that even need to be there? 99% of the knives that we buy have aesthetic features that don't need to be there. For whatever reason, people are coming down on this. And you know, the funny thing is that I constantly come down on ZT along with some other people about pulling away from their heritage, or their heritage as we see it, the overbuilt, tactical, etc. The funny thing is that this knife is receiving more criticism than anything as of late, it seems like, at least from my perspective. And it's probably closer to true ZT heritage than anything that they've come out with for a while. I'm really impressed with that action. Perfect centering, nice lockup coming in at about 40%. Steel lock bar insert, CPM 20 CV, made in the USA. What's the serial number on that guy? 0404. I'm gonna have to take a look at it. Gonna have to play with it a little bit, give my thoughts on it. But first impressions, not bad. I kind of feel bad for making fun of it. And what's the second knife in here? A Hinderer. So excited about this. Oh, that's so cool. This is the Hinderer 3-inch Eclipse. Oh my gosh, that action. The Hinderer 3-inch Eclipse with the new, I mean, like, it's still a frame lock, but it's like a titanium frame lock with overlays. Oh my gosh, that is cool. That is so cool. Wow, I am really excited about that. Check out that hardware. The difference there, we'll show you real quick. I know this is unboxing. I don't want to ruin anything for the review. I'm leaning over here to grab my difference in the pivot hardware versus the standard. You can see this pivot is domed. Same with the screws over here, domed. Even the hardware on the back The pivot barrel is domed. Very, very cool. Obviously, a completely different setup with the standoffs, but we do have a modular pocket clip there. That's interesting. Very, very cool. Flipping action is just unbelievably good, like crazy, crazy good. This also, of course, coming perfectly centered. Nice early lockup. I mean, just fantastic. This is super cool. Love the shadow boxing. I mean, I'm a Hinderer fan, so I'm going to be a little bit biased, but rest assured, I'm going to play around with this a little bit, and oh boy, look at that. No problem on that. Can I get the reverse flick? Yeah, it's really heavy on the detent. Ouch. But you definitely can get it to flip, and you can get it to do the thumb stud deployment there, no problem. This is really cool, and I'll tell you what, Scott, if you're watching this, I was sure that I could not get my whole hand around this knife. I was 100% sure. Nope, you actually totally can. This is the smallest Hinderer that I've ever handled that I can get my hand all the way around. And here's the other nice thing. It doesn't, something that I really enjoy about Hinderer knives is they feel robust, right? Without being overly massive. This maintains that feeling. I still get the feeling of holding a robust, capable knife without sacrificing, anything that I don't want to. Looks to be about the same size as a Para 3, while the ZT 0223 looks to be a little bit longer than my Hinderer XM18. Super, super cool. Thanks so much, Scott, for letting me check these out. No, I do not get to keep them. I have to send these back. You guys will, as usual, receive 100% organic reviews from me down the road, but I'm going to be playing with these for a little bit. Anyways, that's going to be pretty much it for today's exciting unboxing. If you enjoyed this video or at least found it entertaining, please leave a like. If you'd like to check out my other content, I do of course have lots of videos of knives that are either expensive or inexpensive that I do or don't like, so check those out. And if you enjoy all my content, then please subscribe to my channel by clicking that Metal Complex logo right there if you're on desktop, because there's definitely more coming. Thanks again for watching, and have a great day.